whenever people cook for you, you have to understand that they are giving all of themselves to you. I know that sounds weird, but trust me on this one. They're using their mind, their hands, and they're dedicating a lot of time. So that is why, even if I don't like the food, I'm never going to tell that to someone that just spent hours cooking for me. I don't care if the food sucks. I'm going to find a way to eat it, or when they're looking away, I'm going to find a way to throw it in the trash. But I will never tell someone that I did not enjoy their cooking, especially when they gave me their time. I recall when I was a kid, there was this one auntie that made all of us food. She threw this dinner party, and I thought the food was pretty good. Everyone was giving her compliments. She was starting to feel herself. And then there was this one uncle that came up to her, and he said, everything was amazing. Besides the fish. I did not like the fish. And he said this in front of so many other people that they all heard. Now, this lady who spent hours cooking, all she could think about was how the fish didn't come out well. And she was sensitive, and rightfully so, where she begins crying. And this uncle says, oh no, I didn't mean it like that. I mean, I guess the fish was okay. And he's trying to scrap together some sort of excuse to make her stop crying. And that's when I learned that people are emotional whenever they're cooking for you because they're worried. They're worried if you're going to like it. And they're worried about what happened to that lady happening to them. What if they throw a dinner party for a large-scaled group and just one person makes a spectacle and says, I didn't like this and here's why. That's what other people are going to remember. And even if they like the fish, they're going to start thinking, well, did I really like it? Maybe that uncle did have a point. And it just ruins the vibe. A big part of social skills is learning when to keep your trap shut.